Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Claire Moy, and I am so excited today. Okay, I am so excited because I am doing a hair review by a company that I wanted to try out for so long. They're called Hairvivi. Every time I see the girls here on YouTube with Hairvivi, I'm jealous, okay? They are this wig is a glueless wig, okay? It is ready to wear. It has been pre-bleached. The knots have been plugged. It has an elastic band. Let's just open this up together and see what it's looking like, because that's why I'm talking, because I'm so excited about this wig. I have not seen it yet, but it is a ready-to-wear wig. So this is the packaging. Period. Okay. I love this because I know I have some goodies here that I'm going to be able to use for the hair install. Let's open that first. A steel comb. What is this comb called again? I forgot. An edges brush. Ooh. Okay, period. These clips. And a tweezer. This looks like a good tweezer too. And a tweezer. Alright. And this has a fake scalp. And on their website, you're able to choose from 3 different fake scalp colors, shades. Let's see. Let's take it out the packaging. Let's do the smell test. Okay. Doesn't smell bad. This is the lace. Let's check out the wig. This is the fake scalp, y'all. Look at that. Period. It has 2 combs on the side. I'm so happy they don't have a comb here because that is unnecessary. Ooh, okay. It has an adjustable elastic band that you can also remove. We're not gonna remove it. We're gonna see how it fits. It also has a large comb in the back. And then this is also another elastic band right here that you can adjust as well. This one right here. This is the fake scalp. All right, let's put it on. And I'm not gonna do the ball cap method because this is a glueless unit. I want it to be something that I can wear every day. And every day I'm not gonna have the ball cap method. I just wanna be able to put it on top of my hair. So let's do that. Ooh, it is snug. Period. Period. Oh my God. Look at that, y'all. Period. So this is oh my God, it looks so good. Okay. This is listen, I am so in love. Like whenever I see the girls here on YouTube with this hair company, I'm like, I cannot wait till I try this hair company. And yeah, the girls are right. Okay, so this is a 13x6 lace front. So it has a lot of free party. You can part this wherever you want to. My actual hairline. So do I want to do a ball cap? Okay, so this is what it looks like without a ball cap, right? It's actually beautiful.
You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. You sometimes.
Okay, so this wig is very snug.
you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So this is the wig, y'all. This is Hairvivi. Check me out, check me out. You always want to pull your wig forward, like so, and then pull it back so you can see where you want it to stop. No baby hairs, okay? No baby hairs. I'm not a baby hair. If you guys been on my YouTube channel for a while, you know I don't do baby hairs. So this is the glueless wig. Now what we are gonna do is we're gonna use our Ebon Lace Bond spray, okay? Because we want this to stay. I mean, it's gonna stay down. Like even if we just take a little bit just to hold it down, you'll be good to go.
Sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
Alright beauty, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come and we're gonna take out the curls and we're gonna see what this is looking like, baby. Yeah. So now that the makeup is done, honey, I am actually using a black makeup palette. Okay, we're not gonna talk about that. This is all about the hair. But if you want to see this look, make sure you're following me on Instagram because I will have it there. Anyways, let's take out these curls. Y'all see the lace? No, you don't.
Keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So this is the end of the video. Look at that, baby. That's Glueless. This is what the hair is looking like. I'm just pressing this in some. So Hairvivi also has free shipping and free return service. Now that's a big deal to me because if I don't like something, I want to return it and I don't want to have no issues, okay? Real sculpt, realness, you know what I'm saying? The hair definitely holds a curl. This is 100% human hair. Look at that. Look how it holds the curl. Watch this, watch this. Yeah. Hairvivi, thank you so much for this unit. It is absolutely beautiful and extremely easy to install. Like if you are a beginner, this is the hair company I would recommend for you to go with because it's a snug wig, it's easy to install, and you just can't go wrong. Like, stop playing. All the information for this wig will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And as always, I will see you all next time. Please give your girl a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and bye.